Concerns ni bi amode be ba say senior your facilities no esitie mesha bobo ohene ankasa na esini hu pipi say o siesie adakwaja ache ho yenu obia ni mpepre ho yenu obia ni mriketu obia ye to yebo ni aye bibia mo bedi adanse say second pitch no aka akrade ye second pitch na omo be movie from hono akọ from new baby omo training say no akọ second pitch no akọ e training house ye new training pitch what they say no yes na ye na astroturf no so ye 7 aside and a full standard astroturf ni nyina no with stands in case of anything crown e betimi abo matches for honum. The second pitch no so no there under construction say no so crown no and crown architect no a design stands for ho in future no dressing room ni ade ebeba ho a e betimi abobo mini matches e wo honum entini nyina ya ade a ye ne architects ne project managers ni nyina dream ho.
I saw you on the bench. You were so angry. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, I'm angry because of sometime when you are breeding the nice hotel and you didn't get the good people to us around this problem.
You always speak in parables. What do you mean by when you're building a nice?
Your reply yourself is parables. You understand? When the director of the hotel can't make some things, it's difficult for us. But me, I don't want
so in this case
to mention the name of some corporations. But that's why I say sometimes it's difficult for us to understand. You see, I call my people, they don't touch anybody. Let the referee do. We need to score, we can score. We score.
All right, yama atiofone adofo nyina so makwaba famra jumadi so in a day. Yet more updates and so na it heart of folk players are available to play against team FNC Legon cities in Ghana Football Association GFA and so etimatrance at the officials and as a referees on be available and so etima officiating Ghana Premier League match day 16 and so etimi atoje the 17 nyina so etimi eba yama transfer update kakra na bibia so na etima kwaso na first time I show you media mpacho subscribe share for comment no and so ultimate comment section na bibia so no entimi enko so wa subscribe that so now so etimi like a share na bibia so no etimi akoso kama and so etimi training and so ultimate eba so how to food camp na I don't know Mr. John Vandapoye and so be PM how so oba no that's niema debia wataye unim say how to folk game Asante Kotoko the 50 packs of bottled water APM Kumasi Tinesun Uram when you fan say Pobiman at the 100 packs of bottled water no and so it me the PMO when you fan say Pobimana not just any easy crunch or buy no not just or present at the Ama Club and was allergic I can be and so Jina kama bibi aso no itimi kosuntia no said ye no so esitie hwa ye de no ho nsam enso so etimi ede part of folk ebo nyambo echena enso so University of Ghana Stadium 6:00 p.m. Malta game no so etimi baswa enso so enye easy popular stand here 30 Ghana cities, center line 30 Ghana cities, VIP 100 Ghana cities, VVIP 150 Ghana cities. I just say Usuram or stadium obenya game ni be so etimi ahwe na bibia so no etimi akoso kama and also so enye easy no panyina ye friend Sebuba Kawatara the squad no and so etimi aba point na before that no yenwuram GFA Ghana Football Association aso eni nkomo kakra and so metimi officials no also etimi ababontin starting from tomorrow and I just say nyamboa echina and I just say how to folk any team FNC Legon cities at the Bonnie University of Ghana Stadium na GFA for no so etimi the opinion ye Francis Franklin Akomate so ono enjama as center referee and so ma both parties no na afi ono so timi officiate na omoma assistant la one so ye Kwesi Brobe on line 2 and so Roland Ade omona bitimi aboa ama game no so etimi akoso afi Saturday bibiane Go Stars any Brekum Chelsea or bibiane Dance Park referee Reginald Collins ono so ma game na ba so Sunday no games ahoro bitimi to so mediama any Asante Kotoko 3 p.m. venue Takwana Bosso Stadium TNA Stadium and so soon that game no so me abaso Daniel Lai and a bigina middle and so me officiated that game line 1 a Theophilus Akugri and a line 2 set Ableto and a that game beat me abaso Bichemu United any Heart of Lions on anafu Sujiabo Park no a Foster Bastions one on the referee beat me a Jinamafe Nations and a Sake Holy Stars and so Dr. Kwame Sports Complex referee no Gabriel Opoku na Young Apostles and Kaira United and so Wenchi Sports Arena referee Nico Gideon one of bitime Ejina center line official vision any in so atremanasi 3 p.m. and so Baso Ewani AJ Club the second pack and as a second sports complex and at that game so 8 Baso referee no Salom Yao Bless and Diana FC and FC Samates Venino Nana Ajiman Badu the first pack and so Robert Muse and a Dreams FC and Accra Lions or Tuba Astrotef so Maxwell Hansen and so with me Ejama officiate ama that game and so etimi akoswa and so any easy Ghana Football Association we officials almost so etiman provide some so enkoshe games with my baso Ghana Premier League match day 16 and a day and so etimi aba yentin semini nkomo all the Continental Club Masters Accra Heart of Folk me pacho boy friend say Emmanuel Sapon me de ho nsam pina and so etimi ede abroad the deal no ebra Heart of Folk has say boy no almost so etimi epen no me de ho nsam nyina so etimi ebra na niate and is nano that game about so Heart of Folk and Brekum Chelsea and so etimi ede ebon nyame course no Heart of Folk company for say I impress woman nti boy na your friend say Emmanuel Sapono the contract anka ebewu nyamboa January 5th and boy no contract we na ba as a free agent no almost derby omo won say wonom enso so entimi embo ti my friend say Accra to Folk nti so etimi a pull out from boy no enso deal no ma ye de ehonsam to so etimi nti Emmanuel Sapono ne etene sa to Folk enso etimi a pull out from ono so ne deal na chese na ena so 8 me ekuyetene sabo ne so I stand in a contract no and so at media ma Brekum Chelsea nti Emmanuel Sapon and so it my stand in a contract after say has of Folk so a pull out from boy ne so deal no ono so I stand in a contract no e di amatima ye fan say Brekum Chelsea Heart of Folk and Emmanuel Sapon sebo and ye di ehonsam so etimi e di ama yenetiefo Benjamin Asari she say ono so return back after say call national assignment ekojina mo ewo the Black Galaxies camp no ache senyama nkoye amfamo masaba na watara enso anemu squad awmo available nyambo chena betima ball etia team I find say Legon cities ewo University of Ghana Stadium ewo Legon say na tie me pacho Benjamin Asare goalkeeper Mohammed Sharif swipe enso so goalkeeper Kevin or say SB enso so 8 me count champion 5 no he say Benjamin Asare abane there abegene captain amband no ache say Kevin or say SB and be deputy any other ache say no so 8 me so Samuel Ambufa enso a defender ono so ka ho Michael Awamensa Jaja Draman enso 8 me count Emmanuel Amankwa enso betimi account David upon Afrani enso available Ransford Mensa Kunadu Yado Theophilus Collinson Raphael Amponsa Isaac Frempon Fresh Ike Enoch Asiwanteng Martin Kakari, Aya Mauli, Wayo Hussein Muhammad, Sani Isaac Muhammad, Afe boy Fanasa Steven Apia Sankiki, Asari no, Aya Kwabena Boaten, and Hamza Isa, Omo, and so a player some available to play for Team Fanasa Krato Folk against Tima, Yefanese Legon Cities, Mami Sisubium, Mfa Emau, Benjamin Asari goalkeeper, Mohammed Aya Swipe Sharif, Kevin Osei SB Samuel Amofa, Michael Wamensa, Daya Draman, Emmanuel Amankwa, David upon Afrani Ransford Mensa Kunadu Yadom, Theophilus Collinson, Raphael Amponsa, and so Etimi Ekaho, Boy Fonase, Isaac from Pon, Enoch Asubonten, Martin Kakari, Mawuli Wayo Hussein Mohammed, Sani Isaac Mohammed, Steven Apia Asari Shankiki, Kwabena Boaten, and Hamza Isa, the poster boy. Almost so the players are almost beat me a jam Yambotina, and so etimi Esiakai Eddie Amatima, your furnace a crowd of folk, and he said, and so etimi etie ewo, me pacha urum, and so ewo justice in Kukuble, and upon the Bramo said justice in Kukuble Betimas and 1 year contract, Eddie Amatima furnace Asante Kotoko. Finally, justice in Kukuble, and so etimi assign contract, Eddie Ama Asante Kotoko, me pacha na contract na justice in Kukuble assign after so sign a contract or in some way and so etimi etuja
team no maso match nti na me pesa mistake and nti na akoye say
now the contract now to them there's a suspense been also create what they will fancy a baby as a blade call as a blade now wow so
antisa
so finally I extending with you then I go to would you to say what now how happy now say
team need the manage wom that met me standing there it's very good now I'm sure be as a team yeah performance na kwa do so it was good and I'm meeting Kasebia be free muso se arabra se andema yeden ekoyi na I'm the deputy captain so it also meet me yeden my team a group of resources.
This is a challenge, so we are fighting so hard after going 4-5 matches without victory. Last time we do boys no map keep victories. As a captain, dear Ankasa na person we need to achieve.
I can say captains I am in quantity. Me the senior captain Asari so Rebecca I don't know what me aboa am I na the lady team no am I do so pressure na professor bia after season be kwa wie ne there na etimi ade age Legon because Asante Kotoko is a big club so we need Lega no betimi abo Africa na wetimi ade na ko ni so
and a justice in Kukuble and Sama on us for the tuja na baby jet as Samuel Chan a former captain at the Black Stars of Ghana na baby jet as Samuel Chan and Sweat Makasa na nen Samuel Canada and what 10 papa na ye has him free was say ni kan was saying wono Asamoah Gyan no edu baabi na kyese akwai wono nko am edu baabi na kyese Ghana for enso sabi amodinanim enso so etima FM disrespect pa obo ne emfa bi enso ma ntie enso ma page baby jet Asamoah Gyan edituja
but ibana you bring what you omo no akwala betimi aba national team and the only player he wants to see team friendly family in bet 3 days to come ba nipa kona ohumia okutukutu na odidi age no sa nipa kona ohumia no wafa obeso be humidim because of asema ya ka share why in my time as the captain in the national team I was alone. I only deliver on the field. I was alone. Say, captain him on. Because of brainwash, people didn't respect me as the captain. because there were people brainwashing these kids for them to be respected. I feel them be free, hold. You see? And those in Kuala you brainwash them, they regret till now. And Kuala you brainwash them, I'll mention them, but how they got out from the national team. How they got out. Me generation now, I'm free. One. Now we have one. Now we have one. There are those people who they were brainwashed. I won't mention names, but me two question amamu. Me two question amamu. More answer. My generation, I'm free. One. There were those who were brainwashed to turn against me. Time so yeah, my 50th goal. Me but me captain me name that so. Instead of me to celebrate my 50th goal, you were thinking about the captaincy. Me name about captain. Who forgetting me 50th goal now? You celebrate it no. Milestone. You focus on me name about captain. Now for can in Chiligum, Muyano. You see? Me and those people go for me or money my age madam, they know my heart. Me when I come to your life, it's happiness. When I leave your life, it's Shatawali, one of the song. I say if I'm in your life, it's blessing. If I leave your life, it be curses. My life is related to Shatawali. We have the same spirit.
Eno semeno so course na say ekoba say ana ye Captain Ambant efra samojansem de koma Andre Morgan dede ayu na sansem we ba na manfo bi kwa no hu ni say dabi the day you ni asamojan omonka ntawantawo omunta ana ene opanyina efene say asamojanse we yenka mo bia so nti the day you nipa bia we ni papa adwemboni enitirim ana afesu no oto a chese da ono eni asamojan say the day you ntem no mesro amenka ne tie ni e odo sonko e new love ana da omontem yentiensema baby jet asamojan de tuja.
You know what? I'll talk about Andre. Andre is a good person. When he's playing, he's passionate. Also, Nkofo kikan sem chere no. Oh wait, wait. Anyone, I know. Are you okay? Because today I'm in my element. Are you okay? So who say you people? Muna ya mudi problem here, bano. I've told you, it's a fact. So are you okay? What you want to know about me and Andre? Andre, when he see me, he had that genuine love inside. Genuine love inside. But because he's been brainwashed, because people want to gain from them. Oh, as someone, what you see, you can do it, you can do it. Hey! And that is what people think. And that has brought those so-called rivalry. Me, I'm not a rival to anybody.
Eno ensema kana so 8 because nano achi no ana wo chire mu se ya ka NDC MPP for no dia I am also so a greedy politicians and also in some way to ja inti asamojan
even for NDC put the far me I know that it's for the people. Me make my 99% I am with politics, but me say 1% now me wo mu dey. It's for the youth. I'll be the one for because tell me kwa me on umpuno. Me ambi to be bottom ska. Me cost for sponsorship. Adibwa. It is a menya bigger capacity like government. Ebeba me me sika no ajuno. Me you to government ska di abwa. Me fa government ska le fika me botomu. Me you to di abwa because in my own pocket pa the bois. That is why I decided to join MPP. Not knowing, you know, they were using my popularity because people are upset. So they want to use my popularity because I have a lot of fans in Ghana. When I'm in this political party, automatically, all the people will go there strategically. And that was how I was used. That was how I was used. Me now, me doing Ghana, who say, me now high capacity to work with the government. I be one crofone. Sana omu mom no, omu use me popularity no to get my fans to vote for them. And I lost my respect in front of people because of this. And that thing, God is not going to forgive anybody who is involved.
Na asamba akwa asamoje aka chese Ghana for ni pina enso so entiase ni se or say 24-hour economy yewura John Dramani Mahama, the president elect, enso so aka se ono so ba ono so ebeye no wase hwetie 24-hour economy no hadada enti yewura John Dramani Mahama enka se ebia wo ba no wo bo improve no anye se ebia ono ana the 24-hour economy no enso eba yenti baby jet as a mojan.
It already exists. Every 24 hours to move it. Because police station is 24 hours. First filling station. And now come for a 24-hour economy. It's the government will be a filling station among before you. So you improve it. Hospital a 24-hour economy. Hospital a 24 hours economy. Because nurses will be called Biba. You build hospitals are 24-hour economy now. If so, the government say 24-hour economy, they should say they should say we will improve it. They shouldn't say it's a policy that they will bring. No, it already exists. So I understand the idea, but they have to say they will improve it.
Wow, we and some kind so it may cause ye di and one seminum and so 8 me eddy and my TFinsia and so away next video yakram.
Concerns ni bi so to say players are ye recruit to omo. Ye nim loopholes no baby a short force a mu in the beginning of recruitment no. Ye recruitment and deadline also ye. And na fe na ye to aso. Ye nim say left back 10 na forward no there. Mohammed Adanse say kwampoku aba ebi mo so wo hono ma coach no ebe recommend amaya no ma sign e enti ni nyina so ye ade a ye hwe ne aye bibia o ye besre ye chitafo nyina omo wa bruchi omo wo Ghana ha nyina se mombo modern na monta ye chi na mombra enye TV so na obehwe mombra stadium ni bi mombra stadium na moba eno no ebe boosti players no so ama omo so etimi ehun se omo achitafo ebu eho na mo amuntimi maso no through other means no so no ni ahwe the way ambesi a contribute to the aboa